Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you today? So before I start, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is, I will save my cash tips into 100 envelope saving challenge and my trouble saving challenge, the trouble saving challenge that I'm doing. And let's count how much my tips for 2 months. 2 months, yes, 2 long months. I haven't do it yet. So this is a combination of my personal cash tips and my overall cash tip for 2 months, the centralized cash tips. And what I have here is, let's see. This is exciting. Also exciting to count this. But sometimes I also put money in here, which I, not on a daily basis, but if I receive one, I just directly put it in this envelope. So let's count this one. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Whoa. Plus 100. Plus, I think this 100. Let's see. Yeah, 100. Plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's 1,100 for 2 months. Wow, congratulations to me. So how much I'm going to put in my 100 envelope saving challenge? Let's see. I think I'm gonna put this all $100. Okay. Let's change this so that I can use all $100. Okay, then I just need to change, and then I will decide how much I will put in my 100 envelope challenge. So you see here, it's already on my 20 because as I told you, I put some $100 tips here. If I receive some personal cash tips that they put it in my hand, I put it directly here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Yeah, let's save 600 here. So we plan to travel this coming August. Was one of my husband's cousin is getting married, as well as we're to relax and get out of reality for for a few weeks and ease our mind and clear up our minds and restore our health. We need it so that we can go on with our lives, working every time and not having rest is really not doing good on our body and our mind. So we need to relax, okay? So this one, so I got envelope 26 now. All right. So how about, okay, I add one more. I really don't want to use 50s, but let's see. I'll just exchange it later. Okay. And now let's do this saving around the world. Save 2,000, but it's not really 2,000 plus because I changed some the denomination of some of the challenges here, and it's consists of 22 saving challenge. This is the additional, and this one is also additional. The one, where is it? This one. Okay, so it's 22 and I have 20 sided dice here, and I will use 6-sided dice as well. So if I roll 20 plus, I will I will put it on the 21, 22, 20, 21, and 22. But if I roll less than 20, I will go according to the what I roll in here. So let's start. So what's left here is 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 300, 400. Okay, let's start. Let's give some space first. Oh, by the way, this is from Teach, Save, and Travel. Okay, this is one, Belize. Okay, let's go, let's go. So, one, so Belize, and let's roll 5 here. So 4. 4, I want to use different color pen, so yeah, 4, 1. Ah, it's not visible. Hold on, hold on. Okay, 4. So $4. And I need some change here also. Let's see if the envelope have changed. I have here the envelope. Oh, I use prop money here. So let's see if I can use prop money. So I don't need to use coins. I forgot. So let's change $10 into prop money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $10. I keep it in the prop money thingy and save here $4. So let's say 4. This is the prop money that I use inside. That's why so prop money. Oh, still have here. So 4. Okay. Next. So 1 again. And let's do number 2. So 2. So $2. And let's roll. 2. The 2 is Belize. Beautiful Belize. So 20. So it's 26. So we go to number 20 then. 20 is Paris, France. And each stamp is $20. So let's save $20 here and cross it out. And let's go to 20 here. Okay. Next. So 8. Let's go back. 8, 8, 8. Okay. It's a Blue Lagoon from Iceland. Iceland Blue Lagoon. And I roll this, roll and save. Let's do a, how much? I think 12-sided dice. Yes. So 3. So $3. Let's go on to okay, Iceland, $3. I have some change here. No. So $3. All right, next. So 9. 9 is London. Okay. So 6. $6. I have some change. $4. No. Let's change this into. There's no change. So what to do? Have to change again for prop money. 5. 10. Okay. The $6 is here. Next one is gonna be a long video. Hopefully I can finish it faster than I could. So 18. Go back to 18. Okay. All right, Australia. So each icon is $10, I think so. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, 20, sorry. Yeah. Each icon is 20, so let's $20. Next one. So 16. Go back. It's Japan. Japan. So $20 each chop. And let's press 1. So $20. Next one. So 7. It's Italian Riviera. So each icon is $20. So let's put here $20. So table 777. Okay, 7. Italian Riviera. Next. 9. Go back to 9. 4. Let's make it fast. Make it one more. 5. 4 and 5, $9. Bring back $1 here. Okay. Next. So 4. Iguana Falls from Argentina and Brazil. Let's roll two here. 1 and 3. So $4. $4. 4. So give me 6. Okay. And let me arrange this one first. It's gonna be messy, messy, messy. Okay. Next one. 5 is Antarctica. Each penguin costs 20. So let's do 2. Why I make it 2? Because I want to make it fast. Want to finish it because the video gonna be so long. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So it's 160. That's correct. Next, 5 again. So let's do 2 again. So 4, 40. Next, 15. Let's go 15. What's in 15? It's Maya Bay from Thailand. So each ticket is 10. So let's go for 20. And let's go 20, 15. Next one. 6. 6 is Croatia. And let's do 2. 6 and 5. So $11. 6. Next. 15 again. Oh, 15 again. Thailand. So let's do 2. So $20. Next. 8. Which is Iceland, the Blue Lagoon, the Aurora Blue, how to say that? The Northern Lights, okay. So let's roll and save here. Let's roll 12-sided dice. Isn't it? Or 10-sided dice. 10? Yeah, 12-sided. So 1, 10, so 11, 11, 48. Let's see if I can change this. 2, 4, 6. Oh no, I cannot. Next one. 18. Okay. This is $20 each animals. And let's do 2. Oh, koala and kangaroo. This kangaroo, isn't it? This is kangaroo also, and this one, I really don't know. Oh, 40. Let's put 60 and then change 20. Okay. Next, 5. Penguin, Antarctica. Let's do 2. So 40. And don't have, so put 60, change 20. Next one, 1, which is the Belize. So 5, number 5, so make it 4 and 1, one more. 6, 4 and 2. Okay, 8, 10, 11. 11, give me 20, maybe there's a change of 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Next one. So 9. 9, which is UK. UK. So 5, 1, and 1. So 6. $6. And then let's. So 3. Is from Galapagos Islands. So let's see which one we need to cross out. So 4. How many 4 I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20. Where is it? 20. So 3 again. And which one? 2. All the 2s. 2, 4, 6. Let's do 6. Any change? No. 6. So let's change this into... Oh, no. Let's just go. Okay, next. 4. Iguana. Argentina and Brazil. So 4. Let's go with 5. 6. 11. $11 for 4. Next one. It's 13. Taj Mahal, India. Oh, first time. Let's see. 5. It should be 8-sided dice. Okay, 8-sided. Okay, let's use 10-sided. Let's use 10-sided. Okay. So 8. No. What's that? 5. 1. 6. 11. $11. Oh, it's nearly done. It's nearly finished. Let's see. 13. Yeah, first time. Yay. So last 2, 4, 5. Last $5. Well. So 17. Let's see if it's worth, or I have IOUs. All right. So $10 should, and per chassis foul or pow. So I only have $5 here. So I owe here $5. Okay. That's the end of my video. So let me just put it out here first. And let's combine this $10 and put it on all the money, prop money that in here in this challenge. Okay, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here. Hope to see you all next time. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Bye. Love ya. Bye.